In the sprawling digital metropolis of Kryptonia, where fortunes are forged and lost in a flash, one hero stands ready. They call him X-Rider. With his sleek, silver-blue armor and the glowing X emblem on his chest, he's the embodiment of speed, efficiency, and cross-border power. Today, we're not just looking at charts, we're joining X-Rider in his high-tech command center for a critical mission briefing. The target: XRP's price trajectory. The intelligence gathered from our most advanced analytical systems points to one clear directive. The signal is flashing, the objective is locked, it's time to go long. Welcome, agents. Let's dive deep into the strategic synthesis. Our multi-layer analysis for XRP on the hourly timeframe is screaming one word: bullish. Our core AI, Picarit, which carries a massive 65% weight in our decision-making, shows a robust bullish prediction with extremely high confidence. The error rates are low and the directional forecasts are all pointing up. Now, some of our deeper scans, like clustering and anomaly detection, are flagging a neutral consolidation phase. But don't mistake that for weakness. It's not a contradiction. It's the calm before the storm, the market coiling like a spring before the big leap. The underlying bullish momentum is undeniable. All our systems, all our intelligence are converging on a single, high-probability opportunity. X-Rider is getting the green light. The mission is a go. Let's break down the AI stack that forms the backbone of this forecast. Imagine this as X-Rider's team of specialized tech heroes, each with a unique power. First up is our time series team. They're telling us it's strongly bullish with 78% confidence. They've analyzed the rhythm and flow of the market's past, and their top models Arima and Profit are in perfect agreement, predicting consistent upward momentum. Next, our regression squad steps in. They're looking at all the factors driving the price, and they're also signaling bullish with 75% confidence. Their heavy hitters like Gman Cat Boost see strong buying pressure building up, forecasting higher and higher price targets. Then we have our classification crew. Their job is simple: up, down, or sideways. With 70% confidence, they're calling up. They see a clear bullish directional bias, meaning the path of least resistance is to the upside. Now, we do have a couple of cautious voices. Our clustering team, the strategists who map the market's current location, are reporting a neutral state. They see XRP in a consolidation zone, a sort of staging area. Similarly, our Anomaly Detection unit, the sentinels watching for danger, are also reporting neutral. They see no extreme, unexpected moves on the horizon. But here is the key takeaway: while 2 of our 5 units are calling for a temporary pause, the 3 most powerful, forward-looking units are all pointing decisively north. The message is clear: the market is gathering strength for its next major move higher. Now let's move beyond the AI and into the theoretical layer, the fundamental laws of the market universe. From a statistical standpoint, the data is beautiful. The distribution of XRP's price is shifting. It's developing what we call a positive skew, a fatter right tail. In plain English, that means the probability of big upward moves is getting much higher than the probability of big downward moves. Volatility is stable, which tells us this ascent is controlled and built on a solid foundation, not wild speculation. We're building a launch pad for a sustained rally. From a mathematical perspective, it's like watching a master artist at work. The price is following the classic, elegant patterns of Fibonacci and Elliott wave theory. We saw a recent dip, a textbook healthy correction, which found rock-solid support at a key Fibonacci level. This wasn't a sign of weakness, it was the market taking a breath. And what comes after that breath? A powerful new impulse wave higher. Volume is confirming this, with more and more participants joining the rally. The math is clear. We've completed the correction and are now starting a brand new, powerful bullish leg. Think of it from a physics angle. The market is a system gaining energy. The trading activity, the heat, is increasing, causing the price to expand upwards. The momentum, the sheer force behind the price, is undeniable. The forces pushing XRP higher are overpowering the forces pulling it down. And critically, the market isn't overheated yet. There's plenty of fuel left in the tank for this rally to continue. This physical reality fully supports our bullish mission. XRider is ready to ride this wave of energy. Let's bring in our experimental team, the vanguard of our analysis. They look at the unseen forces, the psychology and physiology of the market. First, game theory. The market is settling into a bullish Nash equilibrium. This means that for every individual trader, the best move right now is to go long. The fear of missing out, the regret of not buying, is starting to outweigh the fear of a price drop. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle. As more people buy in, the optimal strategy for everyone else becomes to buy in. We are at a strategic point where the rational choice for the majority aligns with a powerful upward trend. Next, financial psychology. The mood is shifting. The fear and uncertainty from the last dip are fading. We're seeing the classic transition from capitulation to hope and now to optimism. The herd is starting to move, and it's moving towards higher prices. This psychological tailwind is incredibly powerful. We're repositioning ourselves to ride this wave of growing confidence before it becomes a tidal wave of euphoria. Our team even analyzes the subconscious. Through micro-tremor analysis and gaze tracking, we can see what traders are feeling and where they're looking. The data shows traders' stress levels are dropping, replaced by a controlled excitement. Their eyes are focused on upside targets and breakout levels, not downside risks. Even on a subconscious level, traders are preparing for a positive outcome. Their implicit association tests link XRP more strongly with gain and up than with loss or down. The collective market mind is primed for a rally. The entire psychological and physiological landscape is fertile ground for a major price appreciation. So, what does this all mean for our mission, all intelligence, from hard data to abstract theory to deep psychological analysis, converges on one conclusion? We have a highly favorable risk-to-reward ratio of 3.0. The plan is to enter a long position now, while the market is consolidating its strength. Our models give us a clear stop-loss to manage risk and a series of take-profit targets to secure our gains as XRider ascends. This isn't just a trade, it's a strategic move backed by an unprecedented depth of analysis. The signal from the command center is clear and unwavering. The AI is aligned, the mathematical patterns are set, the physics are favorable, and the market psychology is turning bullish. XRider isn't just a hero, he's the embodiment of this data, representing a system gaining momentum, energy, and support. This is the moment we've been waiting for. The data has spoken, the strategy is locked, and the target is in sight. This has been your full mission briefing. The intelligence supports a long position on XRP. As always, manage your risk and trade wisely. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow for more deep dives into the crypto universe. We'll see you on the next mission.